size of the population. Then by only writing this heading, the size of the population, you'll get 1 mark. And then from there, you write at least a maximum of 4 points that explains the size of the population, uba i-reason njani for the international trade. Obviously, which is if ever we have more population, which is now the more equal population growth yethu phaya, it is the more bezawudimanda ii-goods and services ezininzi abantu, which is now the country somehow they have to import the goods from outside of the country, because now the demand inyuswa only because the size of the population is increasing. So now they have to look for other goods from another country due to the size of the population. So you can write other points plus by 4 or 3. Then the second reason for the other demand reasons, change in the wealth of the population. Obviously, you look at the wealth of the population. If ever the wealth of the population higher, which is now baninzi abantu abawealthy low population, they will want to spend more money on goods and services, meaning now they have more money on their pockets. They have a big power on buying goods and services, which is obvious somehow also the country nayo izawufuna uba ithini iyothenga ii-goods kwamanye amazwe, only because the population of that particular country, they have more money, of which now that country ayikwazi uproducer, ayikwazi umeter the needs of the population. And then the other reason, ibe preference and tastes, which is now obviously preference it differs, ayifani, which is now other population or other countries, they may prefer any product or a good or service engekhoyo kwi-country yabo. Let me say it again. It says the preference and taste. Surely the preference and taste ayifani. Other people may prefer other goods and services which are not produced on their countries, of which now they have to buy those goods and services from other countries because they prefer those goods, but those goods azikho kulamazwe wawo. And then the other one, phaya sibene the difference in the consumption patterns, which is phaya napha it's similar to the taste and preference, which is phaya it differs according to